Mali boy, I'm not give him props, you know. Mali boy, where me?
Maridan. Alright, Maridan.
Where me?
Maridan. Maridan. No.
Mali boss.
Maridan. Sing a song. Any song.
Big, the Mali song. Where it says Valiant Dog. To the youth there. To the youth there, you just want to stay up on the party one day. And the next month after that, you know. The next Gully God, right? Remember me, you know, Valiant to just stay up on the party in there, right?
Final prep. How does it look? Sure, no better in the morning. That's here by coconut powder. Coconut milk, we don't go with that. Milk powder,
But it's a true, what I'm saying, you know, because the people them will work and so forth. Now the time. But you know, see you want nothing to me.
Meetings in one straight road. So we are home. Let's talk about it. First of all, this is the hair. It's 56 inches, so of course it was down to my bottom. I may tell her, I said no. Me no in that, cause me not hot girl. My hot girl still no, but kinda hot. So I asked her to cut it so the ends are like this, which not the best thing for me. And in other content I will show you the hairstyle a bit better. But yeah, you can see this is the end result. It's very nice, neat. I love it. Yes, see there. All right, so you gotta hit my girl up if you want your hair done. She do all of the hairstyle them. You know, town people can do hair. Me somebody want to take some video of the people in downtown and do them hair still, but you know, when I forgot through the rudiments to ask them, and then I say, girl, if you don't do your hair, can't on the video. You know that way there. But girl, I drove through Trench Town for the first time by herself. Yes, when you have people who live at them place there, you're good to go. I wanted a nice little tour like down at Tivoli and so, but didn't have the time, so I guess we have to make arrangement for another time. So I'm gonna hold on tight. I just got a glimpse of Trench Town, the birthplace of reggae, but we want to have like a proper tour of Trenchtown and Tivoli. So I'm gonna sort that out for owner, just make me know what go on. Take that man there, take him her. Yes, so that was it. That was my 24 hours in the inner city, every minute police patrol, but it was peaceful and alright. Yes, people sit on the road till pitting them got them here almost 11:30, 12 o'clock and stuff like that. Kids are running up and down, people are doing them business, Sunday do not cook, you understand? So that was my experience. Me sleep like a baby. As me say, once you have your family or friends or you know someone who lives in the area, you're good to go. You don't have to worry. Make sure that you are escorted by someone, whether you're driving or walking, and you're good. Because you know, as a new person, as a different person, new face, people are gonna look. And trust me, all across Jamaica there's a bag of sleeping police. Me call them sleeping soldier. Them biggest so no officer, be so careful when you're driving. If you take time over the sleeping police. So the sleeping police is supposed to slow down traffic or to decrease speed of a vehicle. But them have them purpose for the sleeping police them. Nobody can drive in as them like. You have to slow down, nobody can thief nothing and run out. All of that. So yeah, the sleeping police them did it for that purpose. What else did I observe? Sunday morning, I thought, you know, it's a typical Sunday morning where people get up and then after a while people just start playing them music. Yes, the people are sweep up them yard and stuff like that. Little later it's gonna be festive with with parties and dances and kids on the street and buying ice cream and stuff like that. So stay tuned, stick and stay for the Tivoli Trenchtown vlog. We're gonna do that, but in the meantime, just like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can see whenever I post a video. Big up on yourself, my Ari fam. Enough respect. Mwah. Oh yes, I sound nasal because they catch cold, so me drink honey lime for it now. But yeah, we're out here without fear. All right, enough respect. I'm tired.
Welcome to Trenchtown Culture Yard. It's nice to have you here, Katie.